Hi, friends. Sadly, I'm gone today, like I told you yesterday. So I recorded this video so that you can kind of follow along and do some learning with me, even if I'm not there. All right. We're going to start with a warm up of some sounds, doing those glued sounds that we practiced. Then we're going to do some trick words and just review the last 6 trick words that we've learned. And then we're going to play a fun game today. All right. You will need out your magnet board today. So if you want to pause the video and get that out, and then you can come back onto the video, that would be great. So pause the video, go grab your magnet board, and then come on back. All right, well, welcome back. We are going to start with some sounds. So here we go. And I have Baby Echo here to help out. So repeat after me and follow along with Baby Echo. A-N-G, fang, ang. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-G, ring, ing. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-G, song, ong. Oops, sorry. Baby Echo. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-G, lung, ung. U-N-K, junk, unk. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. All right, very nice job. Just as a quick reminder, these two, am and an, are nasal sounds, so you need your nose, right? That's what we learned the other day. And then the A-N-G and the A-N-K, those are kind of the weird ones where they actually say A, like ang and ank, but these other ones, the I, I-N-G and the I-N-K, they say I, you're going to hear that I sound. The O-N-G and the O-N-K, you're going to hear ah in those. Honk, right? Onk and ong. And then the U-N-G and the U-N-K, you're going to hear the U sound in ung and unk, right? Very nice job. We are going to move on to some trick words today. So I have some trick words for you. I'm just going to give you a second. As you see it, say it, and then I'll tell you what it is. All right, so we'll start with this one. You should have said shall, right? Shall is this trick word. You should have said full, full, like I'm very full. You should have said pull, right? Pull, it rhymes with full. This one is both. Hopefully you said both. Our next one here is talk, right? I talk to you, talk. And our last trick word, walk. Hopefully you got all 6 of those. If you need to rewind a little bit and practice them again, feel free to do that. So pause the video if you need to, get your magnet board all set up, and then you can unpause it and listen to my directions. All right, welcome back. I'm glad you got your magnet board. You're ready to go. We are going to play a game today. So this is called the blank tile game. All right. So actually, we're not going to use any of the magnets with the letters on. So we are actually, what I want you to do, we're going to do something a little crazy today. We're going to be only using 5 tiles. So it's these 5 tiles right here. The yellow, a yellow, a yellow, and then this pink, salmon, red colored one. and then one green one. That's all you need. So the blank tiles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my green one here, a yellow, and a yellow. So 3 yellows, and then 1 red one I have. All right. Then I'm going to close my board up, and I'm actually going to use the back of the board because the front of the board has some stuff on it. I'm going to use the back of the board because the reason why I want to shut it is because I don't want to see the letters. This is kind of like a do you remember kind of game. So we're going to use the back of the board as a way to put the magnets. So you can put your 3 yellow on there together, your green and your red or salmon, whatever color you want to call that one. Kind of line them up like that, and you will be ready to go for this game. So once you have that, if you need more time to set that up, pause the video. Once you have it, then just unpause it, and I'm just going to keep talking. All right, so the point of this game, now that you have your board all set up, is we're going to use these blank tiles. I'm going to give you a word. I'm going to spell the word for you, but I want you to make it with blank tiles. So it might look different. You got to remember that one tile doesn't mean one letter, especially with the green ones, right? The green ones could be AM, where it's just 2 letters, or it could be like UNK, where it's UNK all together, right? Because it's a glued sound. The vowels are just going to be 1 letter. But then with the green or the yellow ones, it could be 1 consonant letter. It could also be a digraph, right? Or you could use like 2 of them to make a blend. So you got to kind of think of how many tiles, magnets, am I going to need for this when I'm building that word with blank tiles, all right? The reason why we're doing this is because we want to try to remember that, oh, these 3 letters go together in a glued sound, or these 2 letters are together as a digraph, right? And you'll understand as we start playing the game. I'm going to do the first one with you, all right? So here's the first word. The word is boss. So I would ask you for this, and you can do it with me, to build the word boss. So as I look at this word, I'm going to say to myself, boss, B, is a consonant. It's a yellow one. It's all by itself. So I'm going to pull down a yellow. I'm just going to kind of put it over here. And then I have O, which I know is a vowel. So I'm going to put my O, because that would go there. It's a vowel. And then I have SS, and I know those are separate. That's a bonus letter. So that would technically be 2 different, right? So that's actually going to go here and here. So I have boss, and I know this is backwards for you. I'm going to start doing it on here, though. I just wanted to show you. So this would be the B, O, and then an S, and that bonus S would be there. So that's how you would have spelt boss. And then you'll be able to see, oh, did I figure it out? Did I get it correct? And then you'll put it back, you'll clear it up, and we'll make another word. All right? And we will be able to check it too when I show you this, because you'll be able to see that, oh, their individual vowels are the salmon colored red, right? And we'll kind of look at that as well. All right, so I'm going to get this out of the way. We're going to do word number 2. All right? So get your tiles all together again, and we're going to make a new word. Here's that new word for you. The word is champ. And if you need more time, you can always pause the video. All right? So thinking of champ, how would you make this with those blank tiles? Pause the video, try to make it, and I'm going to now tell you the answer. So please pause it and make it before I tell you how to make it. All right? Here we go. So champ, CH. Remember those, that is a digraph. So hopefully you just used 1 yellow. So I'm going to just pull up 1 yellow for CH. I'm going to go back to here. AM. Ooh, I see AM. We learned that AM is a glued sound. So that should be a green tile because it's one sound together. And then all I have left is the P. So that one would be just a normal consonant. So if you have your tiles looking like this, for ch, am, p, champ, you would have had the right answer. I'm going to clear it up. We're going to do the next one. And again, always pause the video if you need more time. Here's our next word, bunk. Bunk, like a bunk bed. So pause the video if you need time to build it. Otherwise, here we go. So bunk, I'm thinking to myself, the B is by itself. That's a consonant. And then unk, right? Unk, U-N-K, that is one of those glued sounds. So that one's actually right here. And that's the word bunk. B says B, unk, B-unk, right? So here we have bunk. All right, here's the next one. Let's see if you can get it with blank tiles. And the word is actually blank. See if we can spell it and build it. Blank. Pause the video if you need more time. Here's your answer. So I'm going to erase that one because that was bunk. Blank would be B, L, that's a blend. And then we have ink, which is a glued sound. So it should have looked like that. And if you got it, nice job. And again, the reason why we're doing blank tiles, it's kind of weird, but we're trying to find those rules or those blends or digraphs or glued sounds as we're looking at words. All right, so here's the next one. The word is strong. Strong. Pause the video if you need to look at it before I tell you the answer. Here is your answer. So strong, S-T-R. Those are all separate tiles, but they're blended. It's a three-letter blend, right? Str. And then we have ong, which we could look over there, is a glued sound. So it should have looked like that. If you got it, very nice job. If you didn't, it should have been S-T-R. They're blended, and then ong is one sound. It's glued. All right, let's go to the next one. We'll see how many more we can get done here in 2 minutes. The next one is cram. Cram. All right, pause the video if you need more time. Here's how to spell it with blank tiles. C-R, because that's a blend. And then we have, this is going to be the am, glued sound. If you got it, very nice job. Clear your board. Here's the next one. Again, always pause the video if you need more time. Next one is pinch. Try to build it, pause the video. All right, here's your answer. Pinch. P, I, which would be a vowel, N, and then we have the CH digraph. So P-I-N-C-H goes on this one. Very nice job. Let's go a couple more here. Our next one is shock. Shock. Pause the video. If you need more time, you can see it. Pause the video. Here is your answer. So it would be the SH digraph, the O, and the CK digraph. It should have looked like that. All right, I think we have time for one more. So clear your board again. Here's the last one for today. Our last one is with. With. Pause it if you need more time. Here's your answer though. WH or digraph, then the I, so a vowel, and then we have the bonus letters, the FF goes like that. All right, friends, what I'm going to have you do is we are almost out of time, Make sure these magnets get back in this magnet board and clean it all up, please. Have a great day.